Good day. This is part 2 of solutions calculations. We've gone through 1, 2, and 3, and somewhere down here we arrive at part 4. So what we're saying here is we got to find out the total concentration of ions when we mix two solutions together and there's no reaction. By no reaction it means no precipitate forms. So here is the question. We have KMnO4 and NaMnO4. And what we're going to do is we're going to write out a dissociation equation for the KMnO4. We'll find out the number of moles of K plus and MnO4 minus. We'll do the same thing for sodium permanganate, find the concentration of each of those ions. And then we have to account for the fact this is like a dilution. Because we have 20 mils and 20 mils, our total volume is going to be 40 mils. So just by mixing solutions, we dilute the ions. The other curveball is we are going to have a common ion, MnO4 minus. So let's show you what it looks like. So here's the dissociation equation, and I've tried to spread things out so I have room to write things down. Now 20 mils, 3 molar, I have to realize that's 0.0200 liters. So I get a tiny number of moles. Now Stoich says 1 to 1, so I get the same number of moles of each of those ions. Sodium permanganate, I do the same thing, 0.0200 liters times 1, and I get my 0.0200 moles of that. And it's all 1 to 1, so that's why these numbers are the same. Well, once you've done that, you've done a lot of hard work. All we have to do to get each of these ion concentrations, the K plus, the MnO4 minus, and Na plus, is divide their moles by the total volume. And we just have to, for permanganate, we have to add the moles together before we do the division. So our total volume is 40 mils, which we know is 0.0400 liters. So we're going to divide the moles for each of these by that volume. Sodium, we take our moles that we figured out right here. We divide it by the 0.0400 liters, and we get 0.500 m. K plus, do the same thing, but we had 0.0600 moles, so we end up with 1.50 moles. Makes sense. 3 times the moles, 3 times the concentration. Permanganate, we add the moles together, so we get 0.0800 moles divided by the 0.0400 liters, and we get 2.00 m. So this was showing you the steps, a fair amount going on, but not as complicated as the next one because all our coefficients were 1 to 1, 1 to 1, that kind of thing. So that wraps up this video, and we'll do the next example in the next video.